We're getting ready to seat our paving stones into our setting bed with our roller compactor, but before we do that, I wanted to talk about our concrete edge restraint that we just troweled in. We want to do our first pass with our roller compactor while this concrete is still setting up. See, it's still pliable. We don't want that to be hardened and rigid when we hit it with our vibratory plate compactor or our roller compactor in this case. We want it to be able to move and withstand that vibratory force and not crack because it's set up. One thing with our roller compactor, we like to use these to seat our paving stones into the setting bed and to consolidate our joint fill, which we're going to do later. But one thing I want to caution you with a roller compactor compared to a vibratory plate compactor with a protective pad, these compactors can get rolling quickly, and we don't want to move too fast with a roller compactor. We want to take our time, do our passes on the outside and in both directions to seat those paving stones into that setting bed, whether it be sand set or open graded, and give us a nice smooth surface. We don't want to move too quickly with the roller compactor.